What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Spirit Halloween Wanda Webworth. Alright guys, I have been so excited for this unboxing. This is probably my most anticipated prop of the year, or definitely one of. Definitely my favorite from Spirit, I think, this year. I've gotten a lot of Spirit props so far this year, but this one is definitely my favorite, especially just how it looks. Wow, I actually have not seen any setups of this one yet. Like, I'm probably one of the first to get her on YouTube, so yeah, it's gonna be kind of like cotton candy again. So what you first see when you open the box is you see like a lot of what is in there. You also see the instructions. I believe this thing is made by SVI, so yeah. Yeah, the box is just going to have to be taped up on here a little bit on the other side. Wow, this looks interesting. It's basically like an alien spider thing. It's very different. Like, it's a spider with huge legs. I don't know, that stands. I assume this is one of the legs. It definitely feels very, very good quality. If this is just one of the arms, that would be crazy. Definitely feels like a leg though. Here is the base. Pretty good size, especially for a 6-foot prop. That's a pretty good size. I don't really foresee this breaking. I see some supports over here. That's always nice. Right here we have the instructions. I will 100% be using these today because, like I said, I've never seen someone set it up, and also it looks like a pretty difficult setup. Right here we have the other leg, I think. Right here we have some, I don't know what to call these, arms. See, those are the legs over there. Yeah, these definitely feel like the sides more. 2 of them. Here's another one. And here is Wanda Webworth's head and face. Here are some more legs. There's so many of these. Here is another leg piece with some fur on the top. Interesting. Here is a piece identical to that one I just pulled out. Right here we have the 2 feet. Not good quality at all. Do not step on these. Here is yet another leg. Right here we have the mechanism and the control box and the shoulder form. This is a lot of what's going to be going on in there. Alright guys, and lastly we have the adapter right here, which looks pretty long. Yeah, doesn't look like it's going to be a particularly hard setup. It's just a lot of pieces. But that is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. Alright guys, a weld actually snapped on mine, so already not the best quality, but we'll get into that in the review. So the legs might not look great, but yeah, hold on. Alright guys, that was Wanda Webworth. She's super cool, but I do definitely have some gripes about her. The welds on this thing suck. Look. This came off. This is what's supposed to hold one of the legs in. It came off right off the metal, which is not good. I've actually never had that happen with a prop before. I mean, this might be SVI, but this feels like a party time prop. Or like a Fuyuzing prop, however you say it. This does not feel like regular SVI. SVI usually has pretty good welds. This does not at all. Other than that, it's really cool. And I would say if you want her, she's definitely worth $269. I'd say it's not too bad for her, actually. But yeah, just know that going in, be very gentle while setting her up, and make sure you have things staked down on her so she does not fall over and break, because she will. I will leave a link in the description if you would like to purchase her. I will also leave a link to the merch. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.